Today, we're taking a quick look at the Jeffersontown real estate market for February 2026. Jeffersontown, often called J-Town, continues to be a popular area for buyers thanks to its convenient location, strong community feel, and variety of housing options. Let's take a look at the numbers. Right now, there are 118 active homes for sale in Jeffersontown with an average list price of about $469,000. Those homes are averaging around 72 days on the market. Looking at homes that are already under contract, there are 26 pending listings. Those have an average list price of about $438,000 and went under contract in about 59 days on market. Now let's talk about what actually sold. 38 homes closed in Jeffersontown with an average sold price of around $318,700. Those homes sold in an average of about 32 days on the market, showing that well-priced homes are still moving fairly quickly. We also saw 15 listings canceled, which averaged about $390,500 in list price and were on the market for about 72 days. And finally, 4 listings expired with an average list price of about $337,600 and about 21 days on the market. So what does this mean? For buyers, good homes are still moving quickly, so being ready to act is important. For sellers, pricing correctly from the start can make a big difference in how quickly a home sells. Overall, Jeffersontown remains one of the most active and desirable areas in the Louisville real estate market. That's your Jeffersontown market update for February 2026. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Louisville real estate market updates.